Jack here, and I've got with me this 2-pack of really nice and convenient car seat storage organizers. These are great little organizers that hang over the side of your seat towards the center console for both the passenger and the driver's seat, allowing you to store CDs, MP3 players, pens, extra gadgets, anything you might need while driving, nice and safely tucked away. Full disclosure, this was sent to me for free for this video, but as always, that won't change anything that I say. In just a moment, I'm going to show you how to set these up on your car, show you an idea of how you can store things inside of the pouches on these organizers, and just how sturdy and stable they are while driving. So here's a better look of the organizer. I'm going to show you how to install it on the car. It's very durable. I like the mesh pockets and the zipper pockets. It's nicely stitched, waterproof, and it's nice nylon. So to attach it, you're just going to unbuckle the top part and actually put this around the top of the seat. And you're going to clip it back on. And then this is going to drape like this. And you can kind of tuck this around like so. And it's all adjustable, so getting it right won't be too much of a problem. Now the bottom hook here actually goes around the bottom post of the seat, kind of like where you would buckle in. So we're going to do that now. We'll unbuckle this, and you're just going to reach under the seat here and wrap it around. It's a little tricky. This is probably the trickiest part of the whole thing, just reaching around the seat. But we'll pull this back up and plug it in. So then we're just going to pull this as tight as we need to. I recommend getting this pretty tight, otherwise it might move around. So the tighter you get it, the better. We'll just zip this closed. We're going to continue to pull this bottom part tight. Make sure that it lays flat on the top of the seat as you're doing this. You can also tighten the top as needed if it's slipping at all. And that's what you're really looking for here, is nice and tight at the top, tight at the bottom so that it doesn't slide as much. I'm actually going to raise this up and tighten this a little bit more up here so that it lays a little flatter, like so. And that's going to keep this pretty sturdy. We can lower the seat as needed. And there you have it. There you go. Just get a closer look of the webbing, the nylon stitching, the two different pockets at the top there, and then the zipper pocket there for smaller things. Obviously, be careful reaching in this while you're driving, but definitely more convenient and nice and safer than having things fly around the car for sure. I love that it's waterproof, and I love that there's one on each side, so you really have a lot of storage options with these car seat organizers. You can see large things, small things, all fit really well in this organizer. I like the zipper pocket for sunglasses. My phone sits in there, so it's nice and safe while driving. And you got earplugs and like a chapstick. Very good for small things and large things. On this side, you can even fit USB cables, a CD, anything else you would need in the car, extra chargers. And I really like that. You could even fit a drink in there if you wanted to, if it was the right size. But all things considered, I'm really happy with these car seat organizers. If you're looking at these, I hope this video helped your purchase decision. Thanks for watching.